Hello guys, this is my very first GUI Java Swing GUI program. So this was I actually made this before I learned MySQL or any other databases. So instead of using databases, I use Excel to store data and to get the data, to read the data. Simply, if I run this, I have this simple login form, and I'll just type a name, remember me, login, it changes the color, and if I do, it shows JTable. I use JTable, and on the search bar, let's say I want to look for one with the name Kang Min, and this is the result. I can also search them by number, be like 89014. I simply made it for my friend who was working in a different place. And this will be activation, where you put name, someone, same number. It usually starts like that. The phone, same number, and phone number, blah blah blah. This is the types of which service they're gonna use, and activation code, that's not really important. Days, how many days they're gonna use. Plans, how much they're paying, or I can simply add notes. This note is, let's say I'll just write simple note. I submit. It has been added. Oh, I should have added something else so that I show some type of message. And the search bar, I still didn't finish, but this was my very first GUI program. And what I added at the end, oh yeah, so I added, it's gonna add after I turn it back on. But this is how my GUI works, and thank you for watching.